Hey everybody, Brian Hoakley here. Welcome to cisolife and our new studio. We are out of here for a little while we're doing some renovations, getting some new lights, getting some new tracks, getting some new gear, getting a whole new setup in the main room that I run this out of, actually at my house. Nice little studio setup, but we've been able to redo the backdrop, redo the board, redo the setups, get some new lighting going on, some more controls. And hopefully everyone enjoys what we're going to be putting out over the course of the next couple months. I've got some things in store for you, and that includes possible collaborations with the good people at NIST. Had a great conversation with the man himself, Ron Ross, to discuss the things that are needed out of the private sector with public sector backing from NIST. So hopefully we'll have that over a couple of sessions. Stay tuned. Fingers crossed that all works out. I'm pretty excited. Also going to be seeing some things coming out of a breakdown guidances that have come out from the NACD. I'd like to do a little step-by-step instruction on some of the handbook that has just come out on cyber guidance for board members. You might have seen me post that piece of documentation from the NACD recently, so we'll be doing a breakdown of the principles within that, so stay tuned. Also have a couple of very interesting guests lined up for the next couple of months, as well as just other topics and a continuation of the entire NIST Cybersecurity Framework version 1.1 series. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and welcome back.